So, you're probably interested in building these high-end mobile applications or these stunning websites. You're probably asking yourself, what's the best programming language to learn? Well, you have found the right video. So let's dive in. I'm going to break it to you. There is no one best programming language.
Oh, come on, man.
It's impossible. There's so many programming languages out there with their own strengths and weaknesses that finding the best one would be impossible. But the end goal of a programmer is not to learn a programming language. The end goal is to build something that you want to build. And a programming language is just the tool that we can use to build something like that. If you learn programming just for the sake of it, you're going to quit faster than you can type hello world. So that's why it's important to learn programming, because you want to build something. So in this video, I'm going to go over 3 categories of programming that I think are interesting or cool, and then the best programming languages for that category. So let's dive in. The first category is going to be web development. Web development is a very popular category, and it's probably one of the easier ones to get into to learn programming. And the best programming language for this category would be JavaScript. Every single website that you see has JavaScript in it, because JavaScript dominates the web. And if you're becoming a front-end web developer, you're going to need to know JavaScript. And also, because of Node.js, we can also use JavaScript in the back end. So it's now possible to create a whole web application with just JavaScript. So learn Java. Like I was going to say, JavaScript is pretty easy to learn. In fact, most of the languages in this video are going to be pretty easy to learn. I'm going to put resources where you can learn them for free in the description below. The next category is going to be machine learning or AI. If you're interested in machine learning or AI, or making computers do things on their own, Python is going to be the best programming language for this category. Python is probably the easiest language to learn, and it's also one of the most powerful. And people who know Python can also code for data science, back-end web development, and even desktop applications. So Python is a very good language to learn if you want to create multiple things. Just remember, don't create an AI that's going to take over the world or anything. If you want to build some new cool apps for the next billion-dollar startup, the best programming languages to learn is going to be Java and Swift. You're probably wondering why 2 programming languages. Well, depending on what platform you want to build, the programming language is going to be different. If you want to build for iOS or like Apple products, you're going to have to learn Swift and Xcode, because all mobile applications for iOS are built using Swift and Xcode. And if you want to build for Android, you use Java and Android Studio to create the applications. But you don't have to learn both. Some developers specialize in just iOS or just Android, so it's up to you. So this isn't really a category, this is like a little bonus section. But if you want to learn programming just because you want to know how computers work, learning C would be a very good option, because it's like the mother of all languages. So if you learn C, learning all the other languages are going to be pretty simple, and you will get a deeper understanding on how computers work. And C you can use to create desktop application and basically anything you want. Well, that's going to wrap it up for this video. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a like. And if you want more videos in the future, subscribe to the channel. But thanks for watching, and see you guys later.